World Marathon record holder Eliud Kipchoge and 3,000 meters world record holder Beatrice Chepkoech have been fitted as a StarTimes Sports Journalists Association of Kenya SJAK sports personalities for the months of August and September 2018. Chepkoech scooped the award for August after seeing off her fellow African champions Steeplechaser Conseslus Kipruto and high jumper Mathew Sawe and race walker Samuel Gathimba. Eliud was victorious in September, defeating fellow nominees marathoner Gladys Cherono, tennis ace Angela Okutoyi and WBC champion Fatuma Zarika, as well as 7-star Leonard Mugaisi of Homeboyz. Both Eliud and Chepkoech were awarded with a 43-inch StarTimes Digital TV Set, 100,000 shillings in prize money and customized trophy.
A big coincidence that today I am one man wholly as a world record holder. It was last month 16 and today 16 that you are really awarding me. So it's a bad day to my world record.